Oh, welcome back to another little video. So, Honda XADV 750 2025 model. I've just recently bought it and I want to put some crash protection on. Let's hope you never have to fall off on the road, but I do plan on taking this off-road, so any sort of extra protection I can get, I'll get it. These are pretty cheap. They're by this brand called Puig. I don't know what you would call that, but that's what they're from. And I've bought a front and a back, but they seem to be, as far as I can tell, the same part number, 988206, 988206. So perhaps they're universal, we'll find out. No idea. I've not seen them fitted, don't know how it works, so I'm going to learn same time that you're going to learn. So let's open one up. Warranty seal, so apparently as soon as you do that you've got no warranty on them, so that's clever. Warranty seal, shut up. Yeah, that's easy to get into, not. Right, so we've got a rod that goes through the middle. What else we've got in this box? A nut and a washer. It's very windy, so hopefully I don't lose all this stuff. Piece of paper, a warning that says if you crash we're not responsible. And then these are made of plastic, I guess. That's what they feel like. Two of them. And then we've got a couple of bungs that go in once you've installed them. There we go. And then other than that, I don't see any. Oh yeah, there are some instructions. Let's have a little look at that. Ooh. I do the very unmanly thing, even though this is pretty obvious how you install these, but put that in my pocket. So, another washer's just fallen out, a little metal one. So it says the end, so put the washer on first and then that bit there. Well, here we go. So let's set you up in a different angle and go from there. Right, so washer on that end, one of them that way round. Poke it through. Clearly that's not long enough. So I'm going to have to assume that this is the front one, or they've sent me two front ones, which is very much a likelihood. Don't forget to subscribe. Which actually won't be the end of the world, but it's annoying nonetheless. Right, let's open the next one up and see if that's longer. And it is. Winner. So, if you can see that, so one is clearly longer than the other. So this is the front one, and the one we opened originally was the front one, which isn't a problem, they're identical. So let's use this one for the back. It's literally pokes through there, which I find a bit odd. That so they must be different. Yes, they are. So look, learning as we go. So these pieces, look, one's skinny and recessed inwards, and one's fat and not recessed. So it seems to be that the skinny one goes the far side. That's it. And then this one goes this side. And, that's annoying. It doesn't quite fit inside the nut. That is annoying. Let's have a look at the. Okay, so perhaps they're completely different from front to back and back to front, because I've now got the front one. So let's have a little look. Yes, they are. So the back one then, let's have a look at this. So you can see now that they're all different. Look. Yeah, so these two here are the back ones, and these are for the front. So they're not interchangeable, that's for sure. So I think that, okay, this one goes the far side. That's it. Let's just grab you. So it's going over that nut. And then this side, if you can see this, it's going to go inside that nut. There we go, it's perfect. Then it's just a case of getting that, what is it, a 10mm on there, getting that screwed in. So let's grab a 10mm on a ratchet, and then another 10mm because we need one on the other side as well. 10 and a 10. Right, so there's two 10mm, I'm assuming they're 10mm, yeah? We've got, this could get fiddly, look, we've got to get a washer in there somehow. Let's do it like this. This is going to be a right fiddle, I reckon. Oh. So what I'm planning to do then is put that washer in there and put the nut, maybe put the nut inside my tool, hold that washer in place, and then slide it over. That's it. And then get this the right way. There we go. And now, hopefully, we can just wind it on. Look at that, it's working. That's it. So that's the back ones. And then obviously you've got these little bungs that are going to push in there. Make it look all nice. So that's the back one's done. Now let's go around and have a look at the front one and see if that's any different. So let's set you up there. I think you can see all right. Now we need, from the other packet, our nuts and bolts. So let's get those. Same it's got to be the same instructions, so we won't bother with them. Now, this one must go this side. So you've got the two different ones again. Yeah, so let's bring you around here. So this one is going to fit in there. It's quite neat actually how they've engineered that. And then this this other one, same thing but backwards. So let's pop that in there. Pop that through there. There we go. Oh, we need a washer. There we go. So with your washer, and then this one on there, and then I think what I'm going to do again is I'm going to pop that washer in there. I'm going to pop the nut inside the socket, and then hold the washer in place. Pop it on, and then there we go. Get that over there. Tighten it up. I'm not really sure how tight they'd need to be. There we go. Torque to spec. And the last thing we needed was those little plastic bungs, which are still in the box. And then pop them in there. 1 and 2. Nice. So there you go. The Puig or however you're going to say them. I don't think they look too out of place. They're not garish, they're just black, which goes quite well with my bike. And yeah, I think they blend in quite nicely. So there you go, a little bit of crash protection for when I fall off. And thanks for watching another video.